Huntington's disease, or also known as Huntington's chorea, is a fatal genetic disorder that causes the progressive breakdown of nerve cells in the brain. It deteriorates a person's physical and mental abilities, usually during their prime working years. It is caused by a single defective cell on chromosome 4. This defect is dominant. During a woman's pregnancy, usually from weeks 10 to 13, they can test their fetus's DNA to check for Huntington's disease. To test the fetus, the DNA is extracted from the fetal cells via CVS, chronicle Villei sampling, or amniocentesis. If the fetus tests positive, the parents can make decisions about whether to terminate the pregnancy. Huntington's disease affects both men and women. It usually develops between the ages of 30 and 50, but can start at any age. If you develop symptoms before the age of 20, this is known as juvenile Huntington's disease. Symptoms for this disease include difficulty concentrating, memory lapses, depression including low mood, a lack of interest in things, a feeling of hopelessness, stumbling, clumsiness, mood swings such as irritability or aggressive behavior. A person with Huntington's disease may need assistance such as home care, psychotherapy, occupational therapy. The early onset form generally progresses at a faster rate. People may live for only 10 to 15 years after the onset of symptoms. Huntington's disease is caused by having a mutation in the HTT gene. You can't change your genes or prevent the disease from developing. There's no treatment to stop or reverse Huntington's disease. However, there are some medicines that can keep symptoms under control. Treatments for Huntington's disease include the drug tetrabenazine, antipsychotic drugs, antidepressants, and tranquilizers. Patients who exercise tend to do better than those who do not, but now that HTT gene has been located, researchers are studying the anatomy, psychology, and biochemistry of the nervous system to define how it causes the disease in the human body.